What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our class. This is the Adjective Genius, and this is our class about the suffix y. Let's get started. So, my friends, in order to talk about the suffix y, let's start by talking about the weather first. To talk about the weather, we can use nouns or substantives and also adjectives, which are the focus of our course. Here we can see the adjectives that we use to describe temperature, right? We have nouns like heat, in which we can describe the weather as hot or warm. We also have cold as both the noun and the adjective for a low temperature. Okay? We also have the adjective cool to describe the temperature. Here are some examples, right? I love the cold. Cold days are the best. The heat or this heat is killing me. I hate hot nights. And once again, guys, we can see that if we use the adjectives correctly, we will find the adjectives right before the nouns, right? Cold days, hot nights, right? But even more so, when we talk about the weather, we will find nouns just like these ones. These are the most common nouns that we will find. We got the sun, clouds, snow, rain, fog, the wind, storm, frost, haze, and many others that you can find in our booklet of adjectives, okay, over here in our materials of the course. So these nouns, guys, they are, like I said, the substantives of the weather, and so they are used as the subject of the sentence. They're not used to describe something, but they are the thing. So for example, I can say the sun is hot. These clouds are gray. The snow is beautiful. But how can I talk about the day using these nouns as adjectives? The way to do that is by using a specific suffix that is just one letter, just the letter Y. And so we have the adjectives for the weather, in which we are going to see sunny, cloudy, snowy, rainy, foggy, windy, stormy, frosty, and hazy. All of these words accept the suffix y with a couple of differences, right? As you can see in fog, foggy, and sun, sunny, we added the suffix y and we also doubled the last consonant of the word, and that happens because we have consonant, vowel, consonant. So CVC on the last sentence of the word. That means we have to duplicate the last consonant. As you can see, that also happens in fog, F-O-G, consonant, vowel, consonant. So we double the G here to say foggy, okay? That doesn't happen in any other examples that we have here. We only use the word plus Y, right? And the pronunciation here is very important. It's not just snow, it is snowy, okay? Frost, frosty. So we can say this morning is frosty, or the day is hazy, or windy mornings are my favorite, right? And as I was saying, guys, the suffix y, right, can be made by just adding y to the end of a word, and that word is usually a noun. And what happens is we can transform that word into an adjective. Even words that you might not think are possible to become adjectives, we can do that by adding y at the end. For example, home over here, if I add y to the end of the noun home and I say homey, it means that the place is comfortable. It feels like a home. So this light makes the auditorium so homey. Right? So it feels like I am in my house. It feels more intimate. The same happens with stick, right? So I got the word stick and I add y at the end, and then we have sticky. Eating all that chocolate made my eating all that chocolate left my hands sticky, right? So it made my hands sticky. Stick here is the word that we are using with the suffix y, right? So you can basically get almost any word that you want and add y. But be careful. If it is not in the dictionary, what you want to do is use this dash, okay? So for example, you have a word like YouTube, and you want to say that a video you are watching is similar to YouTube. You can do the thing where you say YouTube, do a little dash, and add y at the end, and you will have the new word YouTube. Oh, this video is very YouTube. It feels like a YouTube video. You just transformed YouTube into an adjective by adding the suffix y. My only recommendation, guys, is that you do that, and because it's a new word, please use a little dash just to indicate what you are doing. Maybe in the future, your new adjective will be added to the dictionary. Who knows? In the meantime, guys, please complete the next exercise and look at our extra material for this course. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!